Salamat. Oh.
Good morning! It's January 20 today and it's my birthday! So, pupunta muna kami ng Taboan Market today. Tapos, enjoy na namin yung hotel pagbalik. So, breakfast ulit tayo. Let's go! Wow! Walang pila! Yay! Birthday breakfast! Good morning!
Morning, good morning.
Morning! Good morning, Edward! Good morning! Happy birthday! Thank you!
Ano yung itlog?
Ayan o, boiled egg.
Dito pala yung itlog.
Meatloaf.
Ano? What is this?
Oo, iba nga, walang champurado.
Ito, ano?
Sotanghon.
Lugaw.
Lugaw.
Ano yun?
Tinola.
Champorado.
Walang
Walang
champurado. Ano?
Excited lang sa drinks nila eh.
Drinks is the same. Kids corner. Ano? Chorizo! Squid and dilis. Ito ang gusto ko. Kuha ako.
Very crispy. Going to siya, making his own ding-dong.
Dalawa? Morning, ma! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! One more time! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Jamie! From Salaya family! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Yay! Yay! Yummy?
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time.
1.8 1.8 yan? Oh, madami na nga. Madami na eh.
Lami na yun.
Hey, bibili mo si Mat-Mat ng langkit. That's fish mat oh, dried fish. Opo, dried fish yan.
Red fish siya.
Those are dried fish. Ito yung masarap. Espada. Sarap. Look, Mati, oh.
Kapag paano may ganyan, isang kilo yung
Dried fish. Hi. Hi. Nag-high siya so ano sa isda. Magkano yung espada? Magkano daw espada? 1-2. 1-2. Ang espada ay 1-2. 150. Sip 1-3. Danggit is 950. Yay! Hindi na kami pasalubong. Okay, kakatapos na namin mag-freshen up from Taboan dahil mga amoy isdahan na kami. So, pupunta na kami sa may Pebbles Club, yung parang playroom nila, and then mag-swimming. So, let's go! That's calamansi juice.
Hindi, hawak.
All that?
Mamaya, daddy go.
Freshmans! Ngayon lang namin na-claim kasi ngayon yung pinaka-free time namin. So, meron kang free drink. Either calamansi or orange. Okay, punta na tayo ng game room.
Maliligo kayo.
Kaya nga, playroom muna, tapos mag-swimming. Doon lang din yun eh, malapit lang din doon. Here's the Pebble Room! Ay, ito nga ba yun? Ito nga, Happy Pebbles Club. Ay, dyan kayo nito rin mamaya, you know. Inflatables.
Hawak ka sa katakot.
Ay, wow! Hello po! Okay, so kailangan i-remove yung ating sleeper. Mati, sleepers! Kuya Ma, sleepers outside. Ay, Mati, wait! Remove your sleepers, Mati. Oops! Okay.
Oh, galing ah.
Galing mat.
Bakit? Titingin ka sa akin. Ramon, galing ah, bravo!
Good job! O, later, wait lang, later. Wow!
Straight tayo.
Apo, later. Wow!
Dito ka dito.
Hello! 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 Umagalaw yun siya. Wait mo si Daddy for the slide. Wow! Wow! Ang ganda ng ano nila for kids. So, there is the arcade area. Tapos yung mga playroom for the kids. So, meron silang mga slides. Tapos meron silang karaoke room. Tapos merong parang kung pwedeng magstay yung ibang mga guests. Ganda. Maganda to for kids. Hello! Nandito na kami ngayon sa Pebble Club. So, ang ganda dito kasi may playroom yung mga kids, tapos may game room for the adults. So, ang ganda kasi ang dami. Meron silang ball pit, meron silang trampoline, and then slides for the kids, for bigger kids. Ayan. Wow! So this is a star, so you put it in the sky. Wow! Good job! Hi, Edward! Oh, cute na yan ang bubo na yan. Aray ko? Kuya, saan? Aray! Naging stuck! Seesaw, seesaw. Edward! Oh, what's that? Salmon! Okay, go, go, go! Pag may kids kayo dito sa Solea, ang ganda kasi meron silang Happy Pebbles Club. Bakit natin na?
Ay, gusto ko eh.
Sige.
Ito, try natin dito. Kasi nagkita.
Okay.
May auntie sa ba yung black? Okay. Wait, naging... Bakit? Pag ako may black tsaka yellow, dot tsaka yellow ha, okay?
Okay, that's okay. Go, go.
Pink.
Oh,
It's okay.
oh, that's okay. Okay, so after namin dito sa Happy Pebbles Club, dito na, magbe-beach na kami. Let's go to the beach! Let's go to the beach. Edward! Punta na po kami sa beach ni Edward. Wow, may chess! Kuya, may chess, oh! Magulat kong ano? Ito. Sobrang laki pala nitong Solaya. Oh, yun yung beach. Ito na yung beach!
Beach!
Hi, beach!
Welcome, beach!
Let's go to the beach!
Surprise ako.
Dito si...
Arigato.
Oh, careful, baka mataman
Dito, dito, oh.
Hi, Edward! First beach mo? Ay, hindi. Beach na siya dati, no?
Hindi naman siya lumangoy.
Wow! Hi, Edward! Martman!
Ito.
Hi, kuya! Ay, kuya, don't throw kasi baka tumama sa ice ni Edward. Hawak kay Lolo.
Hawak ka, oh. Hindi, hawak ka.
Bawa lang eh.
Nababaw lang.
Hello, Ma.
O, yan, hindi.
Ay, lang.
Ako.
Ah, dyan ka lang.
Takot ka?
Sabay bawi, ah. Edward! Happy yung
Lagi ako na.
Oh,
Ay,
no.
bakit nagtanta ko?
Tuwa, no. Pachak, pachak, pachak.
Ito dito.
Ayan na si Taron!
Malamig?
Di, mainit.
Kakaihi ko lang kasi dyan eh.
Umihitaw si Taron! Ew!
Yeah.
Ew!
Talot-talot, may kita ko na Sen.
Ha?
May kita ko na Sen. Pakita ko sa'yo.
May nakita daw siyang shell.
Sen! Sen!
Ay, wow.
Ah!
Edward! Hello! Edward! Edward, look up! Edward! Look, 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 look! Wow! Wow! Wee!
Kami ka mati.
Wait lang, gibig.
Mati, look at Edward, oh, layo, oh.
Ay. Same ka? Dali.
Wow, galing naman ni Matman!
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was
Hey! Tamat! Oh.
happy birthday. She'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt
Yes.
she'll leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know.
Okay, so tapos na kaming mag-beach. Tatry naman namin yung inflatable pool. So, kapag ka nag-check-in kayo dito sa Solaya, meron kayong free na stop for kayak na 30 minutes. Ayan. So, ngayon, inflatable naman kami. Let's go! Hello! Ay, ito, dito tayo.
Hey, ma'am. Kuya.
Pag gusto niyo naman dito sa inflatable, yan, may bayad siya na 600 and then pag kids is 300. So, ang gagawin namin is doon na lang kami sa kiddie pool. Wow! Wee! Ang nga tonto si Mato. Kuya Mama! Woo!
Kami, correct, mami, kami.
Sige.
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wanna want my lover. Everything they feel me, you do. No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. Everything they feel me, you do. No one can do it like you.
Yan si Kuya. Yan si Kuya. Yan si Kuya. Ayun na, ayun na, ayun na. Sabi ni Kuya. Hello, Kuya.
No one can do it like you.
Hello! Dinner time na! So, tapos na kami mag-freshen up after ng aming swimming. And then, nagpa-reserve kami ng buffet dinner sa baba dahil birthday ko. And 7:30 na. So, let's go! Happy ka? Happy? Happy ko yan. Happy birthday, Ansel! Happy birthday, Tita! Happy birthday, Tita! Happy ito dun sa ilaw. Hi, Pogi! Kuya!
Stiso.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Beautiful eyes! Wait! Isa pa! Beautiful eyes! Beautiful eyes!
Kain na mga baby. Angat tayo na. Wait lang, baglo mo na ni Daddy. Lumarit. Doon na ni Daddy. Okay na? Kagat lang ha, kagat. Thank you, Kuya Ma'am. Yummy. Happy birthday, Mami. Birthday, Mami. Okay, Ma'am. Buong ko ng dinner ni Mami, oh.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Jimmy from Solea family. Thank you. Picture, picture.
Kuya, doon ka kay Mami. Kuya. Ayun na. Ay, wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Mami!
Got now with
Happy
the
birthday!
dinner. Sleeping time na.
Happy birthday, Mami!
Happy birthday to me. Good night. Say good night na. See you. Good night, guys. Magaling si Mami Ima dyan.
Bato, bato, pick. Bato, bato, pick.
Oh, tal. Si Mami Ima.
Galing pa lang tayo.
Isa pa. Bato, bato, pick. Bato, bato, pick. Bato, bato, pick.
Hi, nandito kami sa ancestral house namin dito sa Cebu. Hindi, joke lang. Nandito kami sa lola namin. Si Auntie Papeng. Ang tawag nila. Si lola ng Auntie Papeng. Ayan sila. Usap-usap sila. Nagchichikahan sila about life. But, ayun, masaya naman kami dito. And, naghahanap kami ng ano bang tawag ng mga otak. At may nangungulit sa aking bata. Ha? Ah, sige, mamaya. Ayaw. Sino yan? Ay, na-watch mo.
Ka na ba? Yung boyfriend, ay girlfriend? Ang mga mag-igagag. Ilan edad?
20.
Ah, nanay.
Ano na eh. Tanong ko sa safety. Ano eh, classmate.
Tulog.
It's senior.
Happy New Year!
New Year, it's senior.
Yes.